My baby is 16 months old now, and I have been already traveling in airline for 5 times so far, and I have had different experience while traveling with the baby. So I thought of sharing with you guys that the things that you would require when you want to travel with your baby. And I'm very soon going to fly with my baby all by myself alone, so I'm going to share the things that I think are very beneficial for other moms as well. The first and the most important thing is try to take a direct flight. It will avoid all the hassles while changing the flights. I schedule my flights, or I take flights especially the time when my baby sleeps. I prefer to take night time travel because I know after 10 p.m. my baby will sleep definitely. That will help to ease the journey. I always choose front row seats where the space is open for the legs. If you have a very small baby, very young baby that you need to carry in your arms, you can go ahead and ask for the bassinets or the seats for the babies in the airline. But since my baby has already 1 year plus, he doesn't sit in that, so I need to carry him in my arms all the time. It's better to take a front row seat so that it's easy for you while boarding and even while departing from the flight. It's very important to schedule or take the flight as per your baby's sleeping schedule. While traveling with the baby, make sure he is, or she, your baby is very easily dressed up in PJs or baby onesies, because it's very good if the babies are dressed up in a comfortable clothing other than the chunky jeans and all that, because they will not feel comfortable. Let them feel as much as they can feel like home. I also prefer to take priority check-ins in advance. While I book my flight tickets, I take priority check-ins for baby boarding so that you don't have to stand in the long queue of the airline boarding, and you can save some time. To keep the baby calm during the flight, it's better to take a pacifier if your baby is used to pacifier, because while takeoff and landing, it's very important that baby chews something. If they get ear blockage, they will throw a lot of tantrums. You can alternatively use your water bottles, a sucker or a milk bottle as a pacifier. Carry always new toys along with some of their favorite toys, because baby lose the interest very quickly, so keep them busy during the flight. Try to introduce the toys slowly. Before you board the flight, if your baby has already started walking on his leg or her leg, you can definitely let your baby play at the boarding gate before boarding the flight while you have the waiting time. This way, when the baby is at the flight, at least for some time, he will sit at your lap or in your arms and not try to run away. But you know, nothing works with babies. Every baby is different. But if you let your baby play at the boarding gate for some time and let them walk, it will definitely help for some time for the baby to sit along with you in airline. Other than these things, always stay calm, stay happy. Even if your baby throws tantrum or cries, try your best to soothe him and try to do your best in every way. Try to carry a lot of snacks for babies, like baby pastas, baby fruits, fresh fruits, baby pasta, some candy, whatever you think your baby likes and will like to eat. And this way, when you keep changing the snacks as well, they will get engaged. Well, when you are at the airline, people will try to stare at you when your baby cries. So just try to ignore all that, because some people really understand that babies behave like that way. Some people don't understand. So you just need not to worry about those things at all. Just try to focus on your baby and try to do your best. Also, when I travel with my baby to a different country, I carry my baby's vaccination record, because if your schedule or if your flight is at a time when your baby needs vaccination, the doctor will require to check the previous vaccination records. So always carry a vaccination record, even if there is not a scheduled vaccination, because you don't know when you need to rush to the hospital. Also, it's very important to carry your passports, your baby's birth certificate and ID proofs. Try to carry a stroller. It will help to carry the things very easily at the airport. Try to carry fresh, clean water bottles and your own water. Even if at the security check-in they throw off your water, once you do the security check-in, there is always water available. You can fill in your fresh water at the airport, other than using the water which is in the airline, because that has a lot of chemicals. Other than that, you need to carry your diaper bags, and you can check another video that I have what is in my baby's diaper bag. So those are the basic necessities like extra diapers, rash cream, changing PJs, some washcloths, baby wipes, baby feeding formula, or if you're breastfeeding you need other necessary stuff. So all those baby diaper stuff is required. Try to keep it light and simple, because if you have a lot of stuff in one bag while you're traveling in an airline, when you really need it, your hand will not reach to that stuff. So try to carry as much light stuff you can carry, and I hope you guys will have a safe journey with your baby and a pleasant experience. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any more questions, do leave me your comments below, and I will see you in some other video. As always, I love you all. Bye.